We spend so much time thinking about our heart health and our brain health as we get older, but what about our legs? I mean, they're literally the foundation of our independence, but we often don't give them a second thought until they start to feel a little weaker. So in this explainer, we're going to dive deep into 6 key nutrients that can seriously help you power your legs for many, many years to come.
So, let me ask you this. Do stairs feel just a little bit more like a mountain than they used to? Or maybe you find yourself using a little extra oomph to get up from a comfy chair. These things aren't just random aches. Nope, they're often the very first whispers from our legs that they could use a bit more support. It's a gradual thing that millions of us experience. And believe it or not, this has a name, sarcopenia. It's just the official term for that age-related loss of muscle mass, and it's incredibly common. We're talking about 1 in 3 adults over 60. But, and this is the important part, this is not a one-way street. We have a super powerful tool to fight back, and you know what? It starts with what we put on our plate.
So yeah, this is not about just accepting decline as inevitable. It's about really understanding the challenge and then using nutrition to our advantage. Let's start by looking at the absolute building blocks for stronger legs. First up, we've got what I call the foundational support. These are the nutrients that literally build and repair the muscles and tissues in your legs. Think of them as the construction crew. So here's a fascinating thing that happens as we get older. Our muscles get a little bit stubborn. They develop something called anabolic resistance. All that really means is they don't respond to the signals from protein as well as they did when we were younger. So to get the same muscle-building results, we actually need to send a stronger signal with more high-quality protein.
And that right there explains why not all protein is created equal. There's a specific amino acid called leucine, and it acts just like a light switch. It is the signal that tells your body, okay, time to start building muscle. Without enough leucine, even if you're eating a lot of protein, that switch might not get flipped on.
So where do we find this amazing amino acid? Well, the good news is you've got options, lots of them. Whether you're into animal-based sources like whey and chicken, or you prefer plant-based powerhouses like tofu and lentils, the key is just getting enough high-quality protein. And hey, don't sleep on the convenient stuff like protein shakes or Greek yogurt. They're a fantastic way to boost your intake.
All right, on to our second nutrient. There's this silent battle happening inside a lot of us, and it's called chronic inflammation. It's the real culprit behind so much of that pain, stiffness, and swelling in our legs. But we have a powerful ally in this fight, omega-3 fatty acids. They're like your body's own natural peacekeeping force, working to cool down that inflammation.
But the magic of omega-3s doesn't stop there. This is what's so cool. They do so much more. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients can actually get to your muscles. And for anyone who's ever dealt with that annoying tingling or numbness, omega-3s are also amazing for supporting nerve health. The best sources? You're looking at fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, or if you're vegan, algae oil is a fantastic option.
Okay, so we've talked about the engine, our muscles, and the cooling system, the anti-inflammatories. Now let's talk about the chassis. The connective tissues, the tendons and ligaments that hold everything together. This internal support system, well, it also needs a very specific nutrient to stay strong, especially since we make less of it as we age.
And that nutrient is collagen. It is the most abundant protein in our entire body. It's what gives you that bounce in your step and provides the cushion in your joints. This quote really says it all. It literally binds your legs together. But here's the catch. After about age 30, our natural collagen production starts to decline, and that can lead to those creaky knees and achy tendons.
Now, here is the absolute key takeaway for collagen. It cannot work alone. You have to think of vitamin C as its essential partner in crime. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't use the collagen you're giving it. They are a dynamic duo, and to get the full benefits, you really need both.
All right, so we've covered those foundational builders. Now let's move on to the specialized tools. These next 3 nutrients are like performance enhancers, really fine-tuning how your legs create energy and how you maintain smooth, pain-free joints. Think about those times you need a really sudden burst of power, like standing up from a low couch or deciding to take the stairs 2 at a time. Where does that instant energy come from? Well, our next nutrient acts just like a backup power generator for your muscles, giving you that power right when you need it. So here's a super quick look at how it works. Your muscles run on a fuel called ATP. When you use it up, you feel tired. Simple as that. What creatine does is it swoops in and rapidly recharges that ATP.
The result, your muscles are re-energized, giving you more strength and more power. There's a reason it's one of the most studied supplements on the planet.
Next up, let's zoom in on a very specific problem that so many people deal with: the gradual wear and tear of cartilage. That's the smooth, protective stuff inside our joints. And this is a huge issue for our knees, which have to bear so much of our body's weight, day in and day out. And this is where glucosamine comes into the picture. It's a natural compound, and it's a key building block for cartilage. So by giving your body the raw materials it needs, glucosamine can help support the repair and maintenance of those joints. And the typical dosage that you'll see in most successful studies is right around 1,500 milligrams a day.
And for our final nutrient, let's talk about that persistent, nagging pain that can come from inflammatory conditions. I'm talking about arthritis in the knee, tendinitis in the ankle, or that sharp, awful heel pain from plantar fasciitis. This kind of inflammation can seriously get in the way of your comfort and mobility.
And our solution here is a real game changer: curcumin. It's the powerhouse compound found in turmeric. I mean, just listen to this quote from the research. Clinical trials show that curcumin can be just as effective as ibuprofen for relieving joint pain, but it comes with a much, much better safety profile. For long-term joint health, that is a massive win.
Whew, okay, we have covered a lot of ground. I know. So now let's pull it all together into a really clear, actionable blueprint that you can use to start fueling your legs for the future, starting today.
So let's do a quick lightning round recap. Here are our 6 pillars of leg health. We've got protein for rebuilding muscle, omega-3s for fighting inflammation, collagen for strengthening all that connective tissue, creatine for fueling muscle power, glucosamine for protecting your cartilage, and curcumin for natural pain relief. Each one is a fantastic tool, but together they create a really comprehensive plan to support your legs.
And finally, one last but very, very important reminder. Your health journey is completely unique to you. So before you run out and start any new supplements, it is always a fantastic idea to have a quick chat with your doctor or healthcare provider just to make sure it's the right move for you.
It all comes down to making informed choices, one step at a time. The knowledge is now in your hands. So the final question is pretty simple. Your legs have carried you on so many journeys. How are you going to fuel them for the road ahead?